Hi everyone, good morning and welcome to Handwriting on a Friday. Alright, so the last few days, the last few weeks, I've been talking to you about all the different letters and where they start on the lines. Okay, so today I'm just going to quickly go over that and then we're actually going to practice some silent E words for our handwriting today. So this thick line here is called your shelf line. In your book, it is a blue line, but it is thicker than the others. Then there's a dotted line here. That's the first dotted line. That is where the small letters start and the letters with tails start. And this line up here is where your tall letters and your capital letters start. So we have done practicing of capital letters, practicing of small letters, practicing of letters with tails, and practicing of tall letters. Today what we are going to do is we are going to do some silent E words. We're still going to get all the letters in the right places, but we're just going to write some silent E words. So I'm going to write the word like. L is a tall letter. L. I is a small letter. K is a tall letter. K starts here, down to the shelf line, around here. Notice how all of the part that's round goes in between this space. K is a very tricky letter to get right. And then the E is a small letter, but it starts in between the dotted line and the shelf line, around like that. So I'm going to write the words like. Then I'm going to write the word ride. Is a small letter. I is a small letter. D is a tall letter, but it starts here and then the stick goes up to the tall letter line. And E goes here. Now, if I run out of room, and you probably won't, but I have, I'll just go down to the next lot of lines. I'll cross the shelf line if I need to remind me that that's where my letters sit. Like, ride, and my last word is bike. B is a tall letter. I, K again, and then an E. These three words are silent E words. The E is making the vowel say its name, so making a long sound. Like, ride, bike. Now, I'm going to put all of those words in one sentence. Oh, I wonder what the sentence could be. So I'm going to go down here. I'm going to cross my lines again if you need to. The sentence is going to be I, which is just a capital letter. Like, leave a little space because we're writing a sentence now. I, now without the E, remember, it says lick. And it's not even the right spelling for lick, but if you sound it out, it is lick. So we don't want to lick our bike, ew. We want to like something about our bike. I like. The next word is to. T-O spells to. I like to ride. I, d, and then E. Now I've run out of room again, so I need to go down into my next lines. Whenever you run out of room, you need to move down. I like to ride my, is a small letter, and then Y is a letter with a tail. So it starts in the same place as the M, then the tail goes below the shelf line and to the dotted line underneath. I like to ride my bike. B is a tall letter, then the I, then the K, and then if you don't put the E at the end, it says bic. I like to ride my bic. That would sound a bit strange. So with the E, it makes the word say bike because it makes the vowel say its name. So we've put three silent E words into one sentence. I like to ride my bike. And at the end of a sentence, we always need to put a full stop to show that we have finished. So for handwriting, now that we've practiced all the different types of letters, we're going to just put them all together and we will write sentences. Okay, so like that, and we're also practicing silent E. I like to ride my bike. Awesome. At the end of that, you can do a picture. Okay, bye for now, everyone.